In this episode, I'd like to give you 4 methods to improve your practice sessions. Let's get this started. Method number 1, do it regularly. Consistency is the key to practicing and getting better. So come up with a routine and stick to it. Stay consistent with your practice routine. Method number 2 is play what you like. Find music that you enjoy listening to. Now this could be a top 40 song, maybe an old jazz standard, or even a 1960s Beatles tune. It doesn't matter what it is, just find music that you like. Method number 3 is use a metronome. It is so vitally important that you play and practice with the metronome because it eliminates the rushing. Now, saxophone players are notorious for rushing. Rushing means staying ahead of the beat just a little too much. It's good to be in front of the beat, but you don't want to be too far in front of the beat. So it's important to practice with a metronome. Method number 4 is challenge yourself. Push yourself to practice scales and charts that are above your ability. Playing up, as they call it. This will develop your saxophone skills and knowledge much quicker than playing tunes that are below or at your ability level. So in review, I'm giving you 4 methods on how to improve your practice session. Number 1, do it regularly. Number 2, play what you like. Number 3, use a metronome. And number 4, challenge yourself. I'd like to thank you for tuning in to this video to learn a little bit more about the saxophone. If you got something out of it, go ahead and hit that like button below and subscribe to this channel. I've also been working on a little checklist for you. Now this is a free download and it will help you navigate a new chart. If you've never read a chart before, this checklist will help you go through it and identify areas in the chart that you need to be aware of when you're reading it for the first time. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below and you can download that for free. If you'd like to learn more about the Saxophone Workshop, visit saxophonworkshop.com to read our blogs. We hope you like this video and we will see you next time.